Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily install the Microsoft Copilot on your Windows 10 computer. To begin, make sure that you are connected to the internet and then click on the Windows sign or logo, click on Settings, click on Update and Security, and here click on Windows Update. Wait a little bit until the updates uploads. Here, make sure that your computer has been updated to the latest version. In my case, there are only 2 left as of today, but you still can restart your computer if the updates are not done. Once the update has been done in your computer, you can go ahead and open your Edge browser and type Copilot. As a next step, click on the option or the result we chose copilot.microsoft.com. Search Microsoft Copilot, your everyday AI companion. Click on it to open. Stay on this page and click on the 3 dots on the right side. As a next step, click on Apps, and here install this site as an app. Leave it as it is, Copilot, click Install. Wait a few seconds to up to 1 or 2 minutes until it's fully installed. As you can see, the Copilot has been installed on Windows 10. As a next step, create desktop shortcuts. How to start on device login if you wish. Click Allow. And here, would you like to pin Copilot to your taskbar? You can always go ahead and click Yes. And here I have it pinned to my taskbar. I can go ahead and close it. I can close everything now. And as a next step, you can either launch it from the little app here. It will appear on your desktop, or you can simply click on the taskbar sign of the Copilot. It will open for you. And as a next step, you can always adjust it to use it, or you can even click to sign in and sign in with the personal account or with the school or work account. However, you are still ready to use the Copilot, so you can make your question. This is only a simple test, and it should start generating answers for you. You can always click stop responding if you wish to abort. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.